Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to Miss Isti as the chemistry teacher, Miss Yeni as the English teacher, and the examiner in today's practical exam. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rayhan Fernaldy, grade 12 Science 2. Today I will do an experiment to find out which natural indicators can be used to determine whether a substance is acidic or basic. Natural indicators are indicators that can be found naturally to determine which substances are acidic or basic. In today's experiment, I will be using turmeric, red cabbage, and red spinach as test natural indicators. For the test substances, I will be using vinegar, soap, and salt water. Tools and materials needed for the experiment is turmeric, red cabbage, red spinach, water, salt, vinegar, soap, containers, grater and strainer or filter, knife and spoon, mortar and pestle, pipette, and last but not least, observation table and pen. After preparing the tools and materials, let's start the experiment. First, I'm using turmeric. Grate the turmeric using a grater with a sufficient portion. Use a spoon to flatten the rest of the turmeric on the grater. Then, grind the turmeric with the pestle and add enough water. Keep grinding the turmeric until soft. Next, extract the grinded turmeric using filter. Pour the extract into the container. The color of the extract is light orange. Next step, I will use the second ingredient, which is red cabbage. Same with turmeric, I cut the red cabbage into small pieces with a sufficient amount. Put the red cabbage in the mortar. Add water and grind the red cabbage with the pestle. Extract the grinded red cabbage with the filter. Use a spoon to apply more pressure when extracting the red cabbage. Pour the extract into the container. The extra color of red cabbage is dark purple. Last but not least, red spinach. Cut the red spinach using knife into small pieces and put it in the mortar. Add enough water to make easier when we grind the red spinach with the pestle. Filter the extract of grinded red spinach. Do not forget to use a spoon to apply more pressure when extracting the red spinach. Pour the extract into the container. The extra color of red spinach is dark purple. To make the substance that will be used for testing acid and base in each ingredient, we have to prepare 9 containers. 6 containers filled with water and each 3 containers filled with soap and salt. For the last 3 containers, we add vinegar in sufficient quantity. Do not forget to mix both salt and soap with water until dissolves. To examine the natural indicators, first, I'm going to mix the turmeric extract by sucking the turmeric extract with pipette. Then, drops into each containers. In the end, the color changes depending on the solution used. As you can see, the soap color changes into dark orange. The salt container, it doesn't change the color, and so does the vinegar container. Next, I'm going to examine the red cabbage. Same as the turmeric, mix the red cabbage extract with pipette and drops it into each container. Based on the container, the vinegar color changed into pink. In the salt container, the color doesn't change, and so does the soap container doesn't change too. Last of all, I will examine the red spinach. Same as both before, mix them with pipette and drops it into each container. Based on the container, the vinegar color changes into light purple. In the salt container, the color doesn't change. As the soup container, the color turned into very dark purple. From the experiment I have done, The color of the acid, vinegar, and the base soap changes depending on the extracted material used. This is different from salt water, which has the same color because the solution is neutralizing the substance. Moreover, we can conclude that the substances I use can all be the natural indicators for acidic and basic solution. Those are the results of my experiment video regarding natural indicators for acids and bases. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.